9 minus 3 divided by 1/3 plus 1. Okay, 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. So our new expression becomes 6 divided by 1/3 plus 1. Okay, at this level, 6 divided by 1/3 is equals to 2, and we'll copy this. 2 plus 1, this is equals to 3. So this is what many people are going to do, but this method is completely wrong. So now we're going to take the good method. We have an expression like this one. We have to follow the order of equation: PEMDAS, parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So here you need to know that multiplication and division are of the same rank. So you solve them moving from left to right. The same for addition and subtraction, which are solved from left to right. Now that we know this, we'll come back to our initial expression and solve it using the good method. So from what we have here, we have to start with the parentheses. Is there any parentheses here? No. So we'll cancel this. We move to the exponent. Is there any exponent here? The answer is no. So we cancel this. Then after, we move to the multiplication and the division. Is there any multiplication here? No. Is there any division here? The answer is yes. So we have to start by doing this division. So what is 3 divided by 1/3? Okay, 3 divided by 1/3 is still equals to 3 multiplied by the inverse of this fraction, which is 3. So at this level, our new expression becomes 9 minus 3 multiplied by 3 plus 1. Okay, this is the new expression we have to solve. We come back to this. Is there any parentheses here? The answer is no. Is there any exponent? The answer is no. Is there any multiplication? Yes, the answer is yes. This is a multiplication. So first, we start by doing this equation. 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 9. Our new expression becomes 9 minus 9 plus 1. So at this level, we have just subtraction and addition. And here we said addition and subtraction are having the same rank. So we have to solve this moving from left to right. We move from left to right. So what is 9 minus 9? This is equals to 0. Then we take this. 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. So the final answer for this problem is 1. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to receive more videos.